Are you excited for my own possible top 10 strongest picks for Miss Universe 2024 pre-arrivals? So, are you ready? Yes, these are the candidates who just won their respective national pageants. And as of this writing or as of this vlog, they are currently undergoing intensive training in order for them to be more competitive right before they arrive in Mexico for Miss Universe 2024. So, are you ready for my top 10? Let us begin with Mexico. So, as you can see, she somewhat resemble like si Mena Navarrete, yung winner noong 2010 ng Miss Universe Mexico and eventually won Miss Universe during that time. And yung sabi nila, yung kanyang styling, the body structure, the facial feature somewhat resembles like si Mena Navarrete. And secondly, since Mexico will be the host country, syempre advantage talaga ang magiging host. So yes, it will not be a surprise for me if Mexico will be penetrating top 30 and then top 12 and then mali natin top 5. So watch out for Mexico. Miss Universe Denmark 2024. And I think familiar siya sa inyo. It's because she already represented her country sa Miss Grand International. And ngayon, nagbabalik siya for Miss Universe naman. And as you can see, she is a bombshell. Yung blonde and then blue eyes, tapos dull talaga ang face niya. And I believe if this woman will be one of the top 30 and then magaling siyang rumampa and magaling siyang magdala sa evening gown, let's watch out for this woman. It's because bihira magpadala ang Denmark ng ganitong klaseng babae. So, she might be one of your favorites too na very Barbie ang eksena niya. And of course, Thailand. And syempre, hindi mawawala sa mapa ng top 30 ang Thailand. And if you're going to observe yung history ng Thailand in terms of training their previous candidates sa mga international beauty pageants, they are already prepared. Yung mga gamit nila, they have also team ng mga specialists sa pageantry that are very helpful for training their girls how to walk, how to do their makeup, how to do their Q&A. So yes, pati Thailand na ngayon is sumisira na ng listahan nyo sa mga top 10. And then here comes Panama. So Miss Universe Panama 2024 selected a formidable candidate, possible top 10. So yes, if you're going to observe her facial structure, talagang very Diyosa, very grandiosa. It's because as imperfection talaga ang pwede kong i-describe sa kanya. And then magaling din siya sa rampahan. Very powerful ang kanyang stage presence. So I believe Panama will make a high placement for this edition of Miss Universe 2024. So if you're going to watch her performance, talagang wow, papaganon kayo sa kanyang eksena no Miss Universe Panama 2024. And then eto na, si Venezuela. So this woman is well trained. And pagdating sa Venezuela, wala na akong masabi pa. It's because they are very prepared. They are parang aiming for another crown, and she is already breaking stereotypes because she is married. Meron din siyang anak, and she is vying for a crown. She's vying for a historical win para sa Venezuela na kumbaga parang it is a unique way for representing her country. So wala na akong masabi din sa Venezuela, lalong-lalo na kapag yung trainer nila is kilala natin bilang isang star ng beauty pageantry. Ito naman ang Philippines. This is the first time that Philippines will be sending a candidate of color. So she is of half American, Black American descent, so Black na Filipina. And I believe that this unique features of her will make Philippines as breaking also the stereotypes in beauty pageantry na hindi lang mga porcelana na mga candidates ang pinapadala natin, kundi very diverse, no? Promoting diversity, and this is an advantage for us It's because we are promoting yung acceptance for breaking stereotypes once again na hindi lang kailangan na yung mga colonialism standards lang ang pumapasa, kundi ngayon ay dapat lahat ng klase ng kulay ay pwede na rin sumali sa pageants. Moving on to Zimbabwe, the one of the strongest probably from African continent. So if you are familiar with her performance during her stint in Miss Earth, and yes, she is experienced, she is very modest. Yung experience niya will uplift her confidence level. Tapos yung performance niya sa pasarela, grabe. As in, napaka-smooth, napaka-pulido ng kanyang walk. And yes, I will not be also surprised if she will penetrate top 30 sa Miss Universe 2024. If top 30 talaga yung susundin ng bagong format. And let us watch out for this woman because mas lalong magmamature pa siya ngayong Miss Universe 2024. Of course, Dominican Republic, another experienced candidate vying for Miss Universe crown. And why? It's because she already participated nung sumali siya sa Miss International wherein she placed as fourth runner-up. And this experience or placement makakapag-boost din ng kanyang confidence level. It's because being a veteran in the world of pageantry will be an advantage for her, especially minimizing her mistakes and improving her pasarela, yung kanyang mga strengths, sa swimsuit, sa gown, sa personality. And yes, we should watch out for Dominican Republic as well. Tapos, the classmate of Dominican Republic, Miss Universe Peru. And with same year, 2023, if I'm not mistaken, Peru joined Miss International where she also placed as the second runner-up. So, imagine nyo, yung kasama niya sa International, magkakasama ulit sa Universe. So, yes, Mexico will be also improving her own strengths and then minimizing kung ano man yung mga weaknesses niya para hindi maging hindrance sa kanyang goal to earn another crown for Peru sa Miss Universe. So, wala na akong problema, wala nang problema sa kanya sa pasarela, personality management, personality kineme. So, talagang magpapatalbugan ang mga Latinang ito sa Miss Universe stage. Speaking of perseverance, Puerto Rico is also the answer. Why? It's because for how many years, sumali na naman siya sa Miss Universe Puerto Rico and gained the license to represent her country sa Miss Universe stage after representing her country way years ago na i-represent sa Miss World. So she is already one of the veterans in this competition. So speaking of experience, napakalaking advantage talaga yan for a candidate vying for an international crown, kahit na placement. So this will be an energy booster as well kasi kung makikita nyo, kompleto Ricardos na ang kanyang mga performance, skills, strategies, mga ganyan. And of course, yung age niya din. So she can also influence other aspiring future beauty queens na never give up. So yes, Puerto Rico will not be a surprise for me if she will penetrate top 30, top 12, or even top 5. Pero disclaimer, these are only my personal top choices. So there is no guarantee na makukuha talaga sila sa top 10. Pero it will not be a surprise, no? Kasi meron tayong tinatawag na criteria. And pwede nating i-base sa experience, yung previous na participation nila sa mga ibang international pageants. Tapos makikita natin yung rampahan, yung history, tapos yung training, yung preparation nila. So there are lots of factors to consider bakit pwede nating sabihin na malakas ang chance ng isang candidate to penetrate top 30 or kaya semifinalist sa isang international beauty pageants. So if you are a pageant fan na matagal na, you know what I'm saying. And yes, ramdam ko kung ano yung ramdam nyo. Pero if you're a recent pageant fan lang, syempre, hindi mo pa masyadong mauunawaan kung bakit a certain pageant vlogger or pageant fans chose this candidate na parang may potential. I hope nagustuhan nyo ang ating top 10 possible choices. You can comment down below the countries that you feel na malakas talaga ang laban, and sa mga gusto yung i-add na countries na may potential din para makapasok sa top 30. Or in English, you can comment down below whoever you want to choose as potential ladies to penetrate the semifinalist round for Miss Universe 2024. O, di ba? Anyway, just follow me sa ating Instagram account, The Story of Anthony. And if you want, also, you can subscribe sa mga social media ko, yung YT, FB, TikTok, Threads, Twitter, yan, and everything else. So, thank you guys. Always remember na think positively. Mwah!